Hello friends, welcome to Term Science. In this lecture, we will discuss a problem on boiler direct method evaluation. In last lecture, we have discussed a problem of boiler which generates wet steam. In this lecture, boiler generates dry saturated steam. For such case, how to find out equivalent evaporation and factor of evaporation we will discuss. Now we will move to the problem. A boiler evaporates 3.6 kg of water per kg of coal into a dry saturated stream at a pressure of 10 bar. The temperature of feed water is 32 degrees Celsius. Find equivalent evaporation and factor of evaporation. Now we will discuss about boiler. We give some fuel to the boiler to generate steam. The mass of fuel is mf and mass of steam generated ms. To generate steam, we have to supply water. The amount of water is supplied that is equal to the mass of steam that is generated by the boiler. So m dot s. We know that here 3.6 kg of water per kg of coal, which means this ratio they have given, that is ms divided by mf per kg of coal. This one we call actual evaporation or evaporation, that is what we have seen in last lecture. The given is ma is equal to m dot s divided by mf, that is 3.6 kg of steam per kg of fuel. Even we can take kg of water per kg of fuel, is not an issue. Which generates dry saturated steam at a pressure of 10 bar. So generates dry saturated steam at a pressure of 10 bar. The feed water temperature is 32 degrees Celsius. For this change, we need to find out equivalent evaporation and factor of evaporation. First, we will discuss factor of evaporation. Already we discussed factor of evaporation is defined as the under degree Celsius 1 bar pressure water enters into the boiler. It generates under degree Celsius 1 bar dry saturated steam. During this process, it consumes 2257 kilojoule of energy, or it has 2257 kilojoule of energy during the phase change. So it is denoted as F, that is equal to the enthalpy at 10 bar dry saturated steam and the saturated enthalpy at 32 degrees Celsius divided by 2257. So from steam table, at 10 bar pressure, we know dry saturated steam 2776.2 kilojoule per kg. Similarly, from steam table at 32 degrees Celsius, we know that we have to take saturated liquid for 32 degrees Celsius, that is 134.2 kilojoule per kg. Substitute, find out, that is 2776.2 minus 134.2 divided by 2257. The factor of evaporation is 1.17. If it is under degree Celsius saturated liquid, under degree Celsius saturated vapor 2257, this answer will be 1. Now look at, we have 0.17 is higher due to 10 bar pressure. Next we will discuss equivalent evaporation. We already discussed equivalent evaporation, that is denoted as Me, which is equal to Ms divided by Mf, that is actual evaporation or evaporation. This Ms does not take the type of steam that generated by the boiler. It may be wet steam, dry saturated steam or superheated steam. So that we multiply with this term factor of evaporation, that is it says what type of steam is generating, dry saturated, wet, superheated. So this factor will always greater than 1. This equation can be written as Me is equal to, this we can write Ma into F. Ma is given in question, Mf we found out, substitute, that is 3.6 into 1.17. Me, that is equivalent evaporation, is equal to 4.212 kg of steam per kg of fuel. You can check the equivalent evaporation will be always greater than the actual evaporation because of changing the steam condition. In next lecture, we will discuss a problem in which boilers generate superheated steam. If you like this video, kindly like, don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt, give in comment box, I will reply to you. If possible, share to your friends. Thank you.